Good morning, Jana here, your holistic nutritional consultant with the natural art of skincare, taking you back home to share with you some morning caffeine-free juice, beverage, kind of morning kickstarters. Anybody love to have their fresh pressed juice in the mornings? Well, we've got a nice smorgasbord here. I will share with you about what I like to juice in the mornings. We usually make about 32 ounces, maybe a little bit more. So that's for Sammer, my husband, and Sage, and myself. And Sage is a fiend for all of the juice that we usually have in the mornings. So let's get started. I'll show you what we got. All right, we have got our Omega juicer right over there. It's a cold press juicer. So it basically just kind of cold press grinds everything. Hey Sage, I'm juicing with Sage. Hi boo boo, hi. All right, we've got our spinach over here. We've got some cucumber. Some of it's missing the inside because this little guy likes to have the inside of the cucumber. We've got our green apple. I put 2 green apples in. We've got an orange, half a lemon, half a lime. We've got some kale and beet greens. So super alkaline, nice, and a little bit of that sweetness and sour from the citrus. We've got our sweet from the beet greens, and we've got nice little kind of juicy sweetness from the cucumber, which kind of balances out the spinach and the kale. So let's get started. So when you're juicing, you want to make sure that you're juicing like the squishy stuff first, and then we'll do like the kale and the spinach afterwards, because then it just pushes everything through. I've got all of this amazing, beautiful color juice. Heck yes! And usually we get about just over 32 ounces. So there you have it, caffeine-free juice that is Sage approved. And he's back for more. If you guys are doing the 10-day detox, this is 10-day detox friendly, and it offers you a nice energy boost in the morning that's just a little bit different than your normal beverages that you have. And it's also super cheap and super fresh as well. So you can leave this in the fridge for up to 3 days, but it's obviously best consumed super fresh. Thanks very much, guys. See you in the next video.